To get free Bitcoin, you only need to click once. So that you can earn Bitcoin dollars even while sleeping, playing, or during your leisure time, and achieve financial independence in your life. You can earn more than $50 daily on this site, no matter where you are in the world, just by clicking once and using the site's automatic mining. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another site for earning dollars. As you can see, to register on this site, click on the sign up option and enter the various options in the different sections. In the first section, enter your full name. In the second section, your username. And in the third and fourth sections, as you can see, enter your email and repeat your email again. And at the bottom, as I will show you now, enter your password and repeat the password. In the opposite section here, a question is asked, which I have entered like this for now, so you can easily bypass the site and enter it smoothly. Then solve the CAPTCHA and make sure to check the I agree box to accept the site's terms and click on the register option. It will then thank you and send you an email, after which you click on the login option again. Enter your username or email, it doesn't matter, and your password to access the site's dashboard. Just like that, in less than a minute or two, I taught you how to register on this site, so you can start earning in dollars. We scroll down the page and, as you can see, it is easily mining for us and showing our earnings live, which are in Bitcoin. For example, let's say you have now registered on this site. Next week, you come and see, for example, that it has mined close to $200, $300, $400 for you. It is completely automatic and you can withdraw any type of cryptocurrency you want, even Tether, easily, using the withdrawal option, which I will show you how to use later in the video. You can make your withdrawal effortlessly without needing to do anything special, and it will be deposited directly into your wallet account. To be able to make a withdrawal, you need to link your account with the site and provide the address of your wallet for any type of cryptocurrency you want. Then you can click on the update option so that your wallet is updated and linked to the site. That's it for this option, and as you can see, if you click on the make deposit option, you can easily make your investment there. Now, why do I say whether or not an investment should be made? Look, investing is a very risky activity and requires very good capital management, which sometimes you might not be able to maintain. And why? Because your account might get emptied, and this site is not guaranteed to be around tomorrow or the day after. It might even disappear in just an hour. No one trusts this at all. So as quickly as possible, you should withdraw the free dollar income from this site. And under no circumstances should you invest in this site. Why? Because I know that if you invest, you won't be able to access your principal money. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and definitely like this video. Send it to your friends so they know that earning dollars is very easy, even while sleeping, even while playing, and in your free time, you can easily have a very good dollar income. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you enjoy watching my videos, make sure to introduce them to your friends again, and leave me a heart comment. Thank you very much. I love you all very much. And I will soon launch the Telegram channel as well. And we are going to do really great work there too. For now, goodbye.